Hey everyone, we're here in Lancaster today showing you our manufactured home project. So this manufactured home was delivered late last year, and today I wanted to show you our foundation system going in place. So if you look below with me, we have a state approved pier and beam system. The pier are actually attached to a concrete footing and anchored in there. So this home is going nowhere. Now, as soon as we get more updates on this project, as soon as we continue to progress, I will shoot more content to share with you.
Thanks, Jesse, for sharing all of that information about the foundation. Another little piece of information that you guys want to know is fire protection. So this is a 10,000-gallon water tank that the County of LA had us put in, and it's connected to its own personal fire hydrant specifically for this property. So this homeowner isn't going to have to worry about that at all. So this is actually the fire hydrant that's connected to the tank, the water tank that I just talked to you about. And this is actually one of those perfect examples of why due diligence and hiring professionals like us to work for you are so important. This property was actually already metered for water when the homeowner got it. And it turned out when we were investigating on it that the water meter pipes were actually too small to accommodate LA County fire requirements. So even though he's already got his meter, we still did that 10,000-gallon water tank specifically for fire prevention. So if you're looking to do some due diligence on your property, we're the ones to call.
Just a couple things to note. You'll see that the marriage line has yet to be done, and that is done by a contractor after the home is delivered. And then you'll also notice the countertops in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. Those are also being done by the customer and his contractor. He's doing more of a custom design there. So just a couple things before the home tour. Thanks. Welcome to our Bejarano CL Model 30563K, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,680 square foot home. Starting here in the kitchen, the modified island, hardwood shaker-style cabinetry, and a large walk-in pantry you see are all upgrades from the base model. As you move through the home, you'll notice an open living area with a large den, giving you flexible space. Down the hall, you have a full second bathroom followed by 2 additional bedrooms, all laid out with functionality in mind. Some interior trim is still being completed as part of the installation process, finished on site by the installation contractor. This model starts at $140,000, and with upgrades you see here, it comes out to about $167,000. The primary suite features an upgraded shower enclosure with tile and glass doors. This home is fully electric, eliminating the need for propane, and includes fire sprinklers. If you're looking to place a home on land, we offer models from 399 to 2,500 square feet. Reach out. Our info is in the caption, description, and across our media pages.